The rear deck lid panel of the 2015 Mustangs isn't too much to write home about. TruFiber can help you out with their 2015 Mustang carbon fiber Blackout panel. To remove the stock deck lid, there are 2 bolt covers on each side of the trunk deck to reveal a total of 4 screws. After removing these 4 screws, use a trim tool to pry the top of the deck lid from the trunk deck. Be careful not to scratch your car's paint. Once all of the clips are out, unplug the camera and remove the stock deck lid. On the back of the stock deck lid, transfer over the screw clips and the body clips to the new TruFiber deck lid. A small flathead screwdriver can get this job done. After all the clips are on the new deck lid, unscrew the backup camera and place it in the new deck lid. Now that all the necessary items are on the new deck lid, it can be placed on the car by first plugging in the camera and clipping it to the top of the trunk. Then replace the 4 screws and caps. TruFiber's carbon fiber Blackout panel is a great way to change up the appearance of your Mustang. The panel is made out of hand-laid fiberglass that is then infused with real carbon fiber, which gives it a deep, rich, and dark carbon fiber weave pattern that can't be matched by paint or water transfer printed carbon fiber look exterior parts.